Why do I have to be this scared? Put my cards on the table. No, I'm able, but not prepared.
I'm not ready for rejection. Need protection for my heart. So I close up, keep my walls up, and no one can tell me apart.
I want to, I need to, I got to tell the truth, but I am uncertain of what you're gonna do. Are you gonna love me back? Am I gonna hurt again if I never ever overcome my fear of loving? Open your heart, don't you close it, let it all out, don't you hold it in, just be brave, you won't blow it, will lead to love, just go and notice. I want to, I need to, I got to tell the truth, but I am uncertain of what you're gonna do. Are you gonna love me back? Would you love me back? If I never ever overcome my fear of loving.
Breaking through my walls as though there were none. I'm gonna risk it all, no longer will I run away from my fears or my insecurity. From now on, I'm gonna show you my truth, me.
Uncertainty, dependency, judgment or pain, I'm stronger than that. I don't need that again. No confusion, but trust, no illusion. I must turn my fear to love and all of the
I
above.
need to say it.